Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer data from your iPhone to an Android phone using a cable. Alright, let's begin. First, connect your iPhone and Android phone using a compatible cable. If your iPhone has a Lightning port, use a Lightning to USB-C cable. If your phones don't have a Lightning port, use the appropriate adapter. Once the devices are connected, your iPhone may ask if you trust the connected device. Tap Trust and allow any requested permissions. Next, on your Android phone, open Settings and go to Accounts and Backup. Tap Transfer Data for device setup. In Smart Switch, tap Receive Data. Then choose iPhone, iPad as the source device. Since you're using a cable, Smart Switch will detect the connection and begin scanning your iPhone for transferable data. When the scan is complete, choose the content you want to transfer. You can select items such as contacts and compatible settings. Keep in mind that some iPhone-only apps may not be available on Android. If prompted, connect your Android phone to a Wi-Fi network. Then tap Transfer and keep both devices connected until the process finishes. So that's basically how you can transfer data from your iPhone to an Android phone with a cable. That's it for this video. Thanks!